What's good? What's good, everybody? What's good? We're gonna jump right into this. We got R. Kelly tonight. We got the courts have upheld R. Kelly's conviction. What was this in New York? Maybe this was a few days ago, I believe. R. Kelly was fighting on the low still, where everybody was, still asleep. Like I said, hold on 1 minute, y'all. I just got this news, so I just went live like real fast. You know what I'm saying? Answer this text. So I'm gonna be a little bit off track, but I'm gonna play this video just in case y'all didn't hear that R. Kelly conviction has just been upheld. Like I say, Jennifer Bonjean. Excuse me, y'all. Yeah, but Jennifer Bonjean was still fighting. When this came out with his daughter, just came out with new accusations, plus the P. Diddy trial. Plus the P. Diddy trial had a lot of weight on R. Kelly being released or a Supreme Court judge overturning, this whole case. So R. Kelly, this was like a really bad time for R. Kelly to really appeal to get a appeal and to get a new trial due to the P. Diddy and his daughter just coming out with these new accusations. It's been word that his daughter was trying to come out and file new charges against R. Kelly. That was word. We don't know if that was true or not. I don't know if it's true or not, but it's word that it could be new charges coming against R. Kelly. Excuse me. Yep. Excuse me, y'all. It could be new charges coming against R. Kelly soon. So, yeah, this is a bad time for R. Kelly. Let me play this really fast for you guys. Like I say, this is a bad time for R. Kelly.
R. Kelly loses another appeal. Today, a federal appeals court upheld his conviction on racketeering and sex trafficking charges. Kelly was convicted on those federal charges in Brooklyn in 2021. He was also convicted on federal child sex charges here in Chicago in 2022.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC.
So there you go. R. Kelly
loses.
R. Kelly loses another trial. Another appeal, which I thought that it was. I thought that it was. He was going to lose due to these new accusations with P. Diddy and his daughter. Hold on for 1 moment, y'all. I gotta pause. Real fast. Y'all stay here with me. I got some new. I told you I was gonna have some more news on R. Kelly, but I got some new insight on inside of R. Kelly's trial. Just give me 1 second. I got to pause for like a few minutes, y'all. I got a pause for a few minutes. I'm going to mute my mic. Y'all stay in here with me. Hit that share like button. Hit that share button right now. Hit the like. Hit the share. I'll be back. Give me a few minutes. All right. Yep. Just did a little pause for a second. Yep. But yeah, continue to hit that like button, get more people up in here, whatever. But I'm gonna close out in a second. But yeah, this is and like I told y'all, Jennifer Bonjean, you know, still on the low, appealing this case. Do I believe that she can get him out? Now, this is the part right here. Do I believe that she can get him out? Do y'all believe she can get him out like she did Bill Cosby for those bogus charges? I mean, she took on this case. Like, this is an uphill battle for her. Like, for real. Bill Cosby compared to this, all of this. And it seemed as though she took on this case for free. And just because she working on this case for free, is she working as hard as she normally would for a client that is a paying client? Or is she like dragging her feet with this case? Which I believe is the case. I mean, he really has no choice. He really don't have no choice because he don't have any money. Everybody sued him for everything he got. Just like P. Diddy. You know, so he's really working off of that nickels and dimes. And what type of money is he making? What type of residuals he's making? All the residuals that he's making from his royalties or whatever he has, you know, has gone towards legal fees and civil suits. So, do she really has his best interest at heart? Like, really? I know Jennifer Bonjean is reputation with sexual predators is, you know, flamboyant. And is she really respected amongst her lawyer peers for taking on this case? And she don't care because she, she's represented she tried to represent everybody who was a predator, and that's what she went wrong. This is the credibility. This is why I question him on hiring her in the first place, because because her reputation for defending sexual predators, and then she go on to try to get another sexual predator. How is her reputation amongst the court system? You see, that's what it is. She has a bad reputation legally, a legal bad reputation. And this is why she's having such a hard time getting him out of prison. And I'm telling y'all, that has everything to do with her reputation of defending sexual predators, has everything to do with her getting him out of jail as well. Like I'm telling y'all, P. Diddy, when P. Diddy go broke, he is going to hire Jennifer Bonjean too. Jennifer Bonjean is going to come to his side. I mean, this is what all of you talking about a billionaire, like billionaire Epstein, who she defended. The billionaire was broke, so he had to go to her. So this is, and he was way richer than P. Diddy. He was 5 times richer than Diddy. And R. Kelly put together. So, and he had to resort with Jennifer Bonjean. Jennifer Bonjean, by the time Jennifer Bonjean got to R. Kelly, she's worn out. Her reputation is bad because she's not believable anymore. How could she defend? It sounds like the same thing over and over again when she's defended these previous sexual predators who are guilty. Right? So nobody believes her anymore. So how is it possible to get him out of prison? How is that possible? It's not possible. I don't think. Like I said, she's worn out. He has to result in somebody else. He can't afford nobody else. So really, her reputation, I'm telling y'all, Jennifer Bonjean's reputation. Jennifer Bonjean's reputation is so flawed, you might as well represent yourself. I mean, I don't see how anybody can hire her as an attorney. Like, she was the black man representative. She freed a lot of black men who were in prison for the wrongdoing, right? But there's some cases that she took on that she shouldn't have took on. Like I said, the Epstein case, she should have left that alone. Maybe it would have saved her reputation. Like, she shouldn't have took on that case. Now, when you hire her, it's like not a Johnny Cochran. Remember, Johnny Cochran was getting all type of ninjas off. No. But it was some cases he wouldn't take. He took on OJ case that was hot. But did Johnny Cochran do the take on multiple killers who have been? No, that would have ruined his reputation. That would have ruined his credibility. He was smart enough not to do that. So I'm telling y'all, Jennifer Bonjean was thirsty. She's just thirsty for, and that's what messed her up. This is destroying the credibility of her getting him off. And like I said, with the P. Diddy and his daughter coming out is accusing him of sexually molesting, and she coming out with new charges. This is what I've heard. This is from a strong, true source. So this is gonna be a tough. This appeals, like I said, he is not gonna. He wasn't gonna win this appeals. No, not now. I said it. It's gonna take another 5 years. The P. Diddy case has got to be out the way. It depends on what happens with P. Diddy. It's another thing. So whatever happens with P. Diddy's case, has an influence on this case as well. Whatever happens, if anything's go further, because I know the Supreme Court judges want to see and want to hear the arguments was coming from his daughter, before they grant an appeals. Like, they don't want to appeal, they don't want to grant him a new trial. And now there's more accusations coming out against him. So they thinking that no, so y'all seen the way they you watched the recording of you heard that recording of the Jennifer Bonjean appeals hearing. You can hear within that appeals hearing the judges like really grilling her about her credibility as well. And if you lose a sexual predator, you won a case with Bill Cosby, but you lost a case with a sexual predator. Now you want to appeal, now you want to be a sexual predator defender. And, that don't work. Especially in the credibility of America. America had a credibility. They don't want to be letting too many. So I don't care if you're innocent or not. If you're a sexual predator to the world, they want to uphold their credibility, whether you're innocent or not. Like I said, they don't want to be. They have a reputation to uphold. So if by means of you being guilty, to uphold their reputation of America's standards, you will be under the jail, no matter what. So yeah, it's gonna be hard for P. Diddy, R. Kelly, even Jay-Z. They even upheld the Jay-Z. Like, no, that ain't ridiculous. When this woman was making claims against Jay-Z and P. Diddy in the secret room. Yeah, so it's upheld. This woman is going forth with her lawsuit, and the courts upheld it. Why? Because America do not want to look bad, especially amongst black men. Like, no, they got to make an example of somebody, and this is why R. Kelly is having such a hard time with his appeals. They ain't letting him go. They say they uphold the 30 years. And we're going to see with his daughter. We're going to see what his daughter do. But his daughter is expecting to come forth with new claims, new charges against him. And he can be facing another 30 years for those charges. So, yeah, for all y'all who's advocates, they're saying that these men has done, wrong, that they're getting done wrong, rather. It's hard to get out. It's going to be hard to get out. It's hot. P. Diddy is hot. P. Diddy has made it hot for the rest of everybody else. He done fucked it up for ninjas getting out of jail. And it's all because And it's all because this was the wrong timing. R. Kelly was trying to appeal this verdict. He was trying to appeal this verdict, and then guess what? P. Diddy door got kicked in. Fucked him up. Now his daughter coming out with new claims. You think he gonna get an appeals? You think the Supreme Court judges is gonna sit around and be like, oh, this looks bad. It don't matter if he's innocent or not. It's about what looks bad. That's all. That's the only thing this is about. It ain't about letting him off. It's about what looks bad. His daughter is coming out with new accusations now, and then P. Diddy. All these accusations against P. Diddy. That's what his appeals is based off of that. A new trial. It's all about perception. Perception is reality. And that's what it is. And this is why they uphold a 30-year sentence to I mean, the new, I say a time in which a window in which he has a breakthrough. That's where he can go. That's where he got a chance for an appeals. If P. Diddy so happens to get, it'd be a mistrial or anything. If anything happened with P. Diddy, I guarantee he might have a small chance. But I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening no time soon. I see P. Diddy getting convicted. It's just too much against Diddy. Too much. I don't see him getting out. So I would say another 15 years. I say R. Kelly is 15 years. He might get a retrial. You think Jennifer Bonje ain't gonna stick with this long? I don't think so. Because she's just free. She's taking on this trial for free. Like, I mean, how long can I take it? How many no's can I get? Like, she's been fighting this trial since 24 years, 3-4 years, without receiving nothing. Do you think she's taking this seriously? Do you think that no, she ain't getting nothing from this but clout. She's spending her own money, her own gas money. There you go, baby. She's spending her own gas money. She getting tired of this nigga. Like, I mean, come on, what more can I do? I'm just picking the real. Like, this is what happens behind closed doors. And she the best interest for him. He just dump her and move on because I don't think her reputation is the best. I don't think those Supreme judges, when y'all heard those Supreme Court judges, they wasn't happy with her. They was grilling her. Like, what is your basis? You really going on the same thing with Epstein? He's a known child. He's a known rapist. They looking at the Epstein. They like, man, what the hell? And she's doing this for free. Now, what is going on here? We got red flags going on everywhere. I'm telling y'all, this is how that works. The reputation is gone. I don't think y'all vote for another black man to get free. I don't know about this case. I really don't. But y'all hear it again. I told y'all this was gonna happen. I said this is gonna get denied, and he probably gonna have another 5 years. Another 5 years. It's got to be a breakthrough. And depending on this P. Diddy case, depending on what happened with his daughter, whether she go forward for charges or not. Just go under the bridge. He might have, but he can be looking at more charges. I would never say nobody is done, but I would say I would give a time frame where he can appeal this case. But this appeals case is, I mean, hey, this is not the good time to appeal right now. Hell no, it's over with. Like, give it another 2 to 5 years, 2 to 5 years, and then do you think Jennifer Bonjean gonna be there? If she do, she a ride or die. I mean, trust me, not to be getting paid nothing for this case and continue to take it on and try to fight for this ninja. I mean, yeah. I mean, but if you want to judge it how this way, if you want quick results, it ain't gonna happen. You gotta think for the long run now. And the long run is, yeah, this ninja gonna be probably the next 5 to 10 years. Sexual predators is hard. So if you innocent, I don't care what or whatever. Sexual predators, you it's gonna be an uphill battle. They don't just let sexual predators out. They don't do that. Because the United States got an image to protect, whether you're innocent or not. Believe that. It's all about image in this country. It's all about image, and they will kill the innocent to protect their image. If you don't think so, look at what Trump doing. Some of the stuff that he doing. So no matter how many innocent men, Jennifer Bonjean, she didn't. I seen them. It was a few videos where she freed a man, a black man, innocent black man. He was in jail for about almost 40 years. He was in jail for almost 40 years. For no reason. He was in jail for 40 years, y'all. And you can look back at Jennifer Bonjean's track record. She freed a lot of black innocent men who didn't, in her belief. And I believe she's gonna stick with R. Kelly. She ain't gonna give up. Because there's something in her to believe that he's innocent. Because her previous conviction, right? Her clout is going to, her clout is probably sticking with him, and he get free in another 10 years, 5 years. What is the motive behind the sticking with, the black men getting, P. Diddy is in her sight too. P. Diddy is going broke. He got sued for $100 million. He got sued for $30 million by Cassie. Get sued for another lawsuit for $30 million by a dude. Then get sued. He got sued for $100 million. And it's true. You got to get $10 million a month to a man that's a scammer, a known scammer. A judge granted a known scammer $100 million. This is honest to God truth. It's crazy. She waiting on P. Diddy to go broke. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, mark my word, she is going to be on P. Diddy after P. Diddy getting convicted, because he's going to get convicted. It's just too much against P. Diddy. They got to convict him. America has to show against sexual predator. They got to, no matter if you innocent or not. Like I said, it's all about the image. That's how dirty politicians is. That's how dirty these judges is. That's how when they get convictions like that from a man that's worth almost $1 billion. Come on, that their reputation goes up, then they can become presidents in the future, and they can become the Supreme Court judges in the future. They don't give a damn about them. It's all about reputation. It's all about them getting a promotion. This is all about them becoming wealthy for the rest of their lives. They don't give a damn about who innocent or not. There you go, baby. These dirty politicians and these dirty presidents. You know how Trump became president? Because he fired everybody. He's a cutthroat ninja. He don't give a damn. He wasn't your friend. He wasn't nothing. To get up, Elon Musk too. They the same person. That's why they together. They developing a plan. Trump got Elon Musk on his side. He got a genius on his side. Elon Musk can hack into any system. This is why Trump is a billionaire. He's a track record of being a billionaire, to having people way smarter than him, beside him. Trump, see, this is how Trump made his millions. And this is how his father taught him how to make his millions. You can read that book. I mean, it's very powerful. Trump, how he made his million, how the Trump family wealth became. Always have somebody smarter than you around you. You ain't the smartest. Your ego ain't. You got a smart ass ninja like Elon Musk making rockets and satellites and going into space. Who gonna partner up with him? The smartest. He one of the most richest men in the world. Teamed up with him. Now Elon Musk got access to your tax information. I mean, see, I'm telling y'all. And guess what? Who could get Trump? Trump giving him access. So Elon Musk is like the vice president. Like, I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be a new thing. And like I told y'all with them robots yesterday, if y'all ain't watched the live, go back. Just go back and watch the live yesterday. With them robots working so fast. I mean, I'm telling y'all. Trump is cleaning house. He making it the way he want to make it. Him and Elon Musk, they got a plan. They got a master plan. And they ain't and you know what? And a part of the plan is self-sufficiency. They firing everybody. And they weeding everybody out of the workplace. Because, Republican concept is all about owning your own, and you the most, They don't believe in it. They cut out government assistance. They cut out anything that help the poor. That's why most minorities go for Democrats. But this is going to be a way more self-sufficient world. It's going to be self-sufficient. Elon Musk selling them Tesla robots. 20 racks is going to be coming out. $20,000. Like I say, everybody should invest in a Tesla robot. You got to get with the program. Yeah, the world changing. I'm about to get the hell up out of here. I knew y'all was coming in here. I appreciate this. Everybody for joining the live. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. I'm about to chill. get something to eat. What's good, Jericho? What's good, Maul? Like always. You know, I got shout out. But I'm telling y'all, everything that I posted in our previous videos came true. I mean, you just, I swear to God, everything that I said, everything that I posted, everything, our previous videos that I put on Epstein, R. Kelly, Jay-Z, and P. Diddy, all of it is true, came true. I mean, with the PPP loans, I swear to God. All of this came true. I mean, I know most of y'all just believers. I'm getting out of here, y'all. I know most of y'all just believers. And y'all just want so bad. The black men getting done bad. But I'm sorry, I messed up the time. I died the goddamn thing. I'm gonna end it here. I don't know if it fell apart a little bit. This YouTube straight video, YouTube straight. I'm going just straight YouTube. You know, drawing people back to YouTube. I always have good turnouts on YouTube only. You know, I don't be having to censor nothing. I can speak my mind, say whatever the hell I want to say. You know, Facebook, they be cutting you off. You said this. Man, I swear to God, I can't stand Facebook. And it be years later. I got a flag from 2 years ago on Facebook. I'm like, man, I can't fuck with Facebook no more. So I'm live from YouTube for real. I'm out of here. I'm getting out of here. Rat, nah.